welcome back to the channel. Please adjust your sound if you need to. We're going to play with the NuWave Oven Pro again. Figured, well, I burnt one up already. Figured I'd do a video on the new model. Same price, but anyway, let's go to the lab and what do you say we cook some breakfast? That's right. We're going to do some eggs, some tube sausage, right? Tube. All right. Now here on the NuWave grill, right? We're gonna grill these babies. Why not? Instead of frying, just it's like a hamburger patty or whatever. Not bad, not bad at all. Oh, look at that! Look at that! There you go. Very nice, very nice. Now here we go with that's the sausage is done and flipped. I flipped it over once, right? And now we're going to finish the flip over with the eggs. So there's double-sided flip overs. Very nice, very nice. All right, crispy, nice, wonderful sausage patties. Now the eggs, I didn't. I was kind of worried about. See that one? It's starting to go. Very difficult to do a sunny side up. But here's the meal, right? Not too shabby. Little pepper, right? Look at that. Look at that. Very awesome. Now I have extra sausage too, but would you eat that? Right? That is the question. Would you eat that? Thanks for taking a couple minutes out of your day to pop in and visit. Haven't done a cooking one in a while, right? The eyes. Wow, really. So much stuff going on in the world, right? Have a great day. Later.